Hi students, good morning. Welcome to Tungal online classes. So yesterday we discussed homogeneous differential equation. First of all, what is meant by homogeneous equation? After then, what is meant by homogeneous differential equation? So what is homogeneous equation? A first order, first degree differential equation. It is in the form of dy by dx is equals to f of x comma y. When this function f of x comma y is said to be homogeneous. So just I am recall that yesterday class for 5 minutes, so you can easy to understand the next class, means continue class, that's why. So when this function is said to be homogeneous, nothing but f of lambda x comma lambda y is equals to lambda power n into f of x comma y, where lambda is a non-zero constant. Lambda is a non-zero constant, then given function is said to be homogeneous function of degree n. Next, what is meant by homogeneous differential equation? Nothing but when given first order first degree differential equation is said to be homogeneous if f of lambda x comma lambda y is equals to lambda power 0 into f of x comma y. When it is homogeneous function of degree 0, then given differential equation is said to be homogeneous. So we have, when homogeneous differential equation given, to find its solution, yesterday one problem also we done. So how to find solution? Nothing but by taking substitution as y is equals to vx. So we have one more form also we have. So this one only one or two problems will be there based on that one. So dx by dy is equals to f of x comma y. So one form is dy by dx is equals to f of x comma y. One more form dx by dy is equals to f of x comma y. Suppose when it is in this form, substitution taken as x is equals to vy. Maximum problems based on this form only. So dy by dx is equals to f of x comma y. When given homogeneous differential equation in this form, substitution taken as y is equals to vx. Suppose given homogeneous differential equation in this form, substitution taken as x is equals to vy. Okay, so we'll continue the problems based on homogeneous differential equations. Right, so one example problem, observe example 16. Show that the differential equation x cos dy by dx x cos y by x into dy by dx is equals to y into cos y by x is homogeneous and solve it. See, given differential equation, show that it is homogeneous. First we have to prove given differential equation is homogeneous, and solve it means we have to find its solution. First to prove that one solution, observe. So given, so we have to take x into cos y by x into dy by dx is equals to y into cos y by x. This is given. How to write? From here dy by dx is equals to this term taken right side, what will get? Y by x So cos y by x is cancelled. Okay na? Wait ma, question may be mistake. Right, sorry, question mistake. Here x is there. Okay, sorry students, in question textbook it is printed wrong like that. So this is the given differential equation. So here dy by dx is equals to this one, divide here, what will get? Y into cos y by x plus x total divided by x into cos y by x. Understood? So now dy by dx is equals to, separate denominator. If you separate this one, what will get? Y by x will get, plus if separate this one, nothing but x cancel, what will get? Secant y by x will come. Understood? So x cancelled means 1 by cos, nothing but secant y by x will come. So the given differential equation reduced to like this. So this is function in x variable. So here f of x comma y, what is function in x and y? Nothing but y by x plus secant y by x, right? So to prove homogeneous, what we have to do? In the place of x, lambda x, in the place of y, lambda y, we have to replace. So what will get? Lambda y by lambda x plus secant lambda y by lambda x will come. So here lambda cancel, here also lambda cancel, what will get? Y by x plus secant y by x will come. So what is this one? Nothing but f of x comma y only, right? We can take it as lambda power 0 na. Why? Because lambda power 0 is 1, means that f of lambda x comma lambda y is equals to lambda power 0 into f of x comma y. Therefore given differential equation is homogeneous. So given differential equation is homogeneous. Understood? So given x cos y by x into dy by dx is equals to y into cos y by x plus x, divide entire with x cos y by x, separated denominator like this will get. Now to prove it is homogeneous, x and y replace with lambda x and lambda y. Finally we proved given differential equation is homogeneous. Now to solve, so to solve given homogeneous differential equation, observe. So what we got? By taking simplification, that one, x by dy by dx is equals to y by x plus secant y by x. This one only we got it, right? Now this one we have to solve. How to solve this one? By taking substitution. So put y is equals to vx. So y is equals to vx, nothing but dy by dx is equals to, you will apply, what will get? V into x derivative is 1 plus x into v derivative is dv by dx. Understood? Now this one here you replace, what will get? Dy by dx, nothing but v plus x into dv by dx is equals to y by x. Y is equals to vx, nothing but y by x, nothing but v. Understood? Plus secant v. Y is equals to vx, nothing but y by x, nothing but v plus secant v. Both sides v get cancelled, right? So therefore what will get? X into dv by dx is equals to secant v. Now it reduces to variable separable method. So that's why yesterday I said na, by taking substitution given homogeneous differential equation is reduced to variable separable form. Now we can easy to separate the variables. So how to write? dv by secant v is equals to dx by x. Understood? So 1 by secant nothing but cos v into dv is equals to 1 by x into dx. Integrate both sides. What is integral cos x? Sin x. Therefore integral cos v nothing but sin v is equals to integral 1 by x dx nothing but log mod x plus c. So this one general solution. In final answer we have to replace this v. So therefore sin v nothing but v, what you took? V nothing but y by x. So sin y by x is equals to log mod x plus c. This is general solution of given homogeneous differential equation. First we have to prove whether it is homogeneous or not. Afterwards we have to take substitution to find the general solution of given homogeneous differential equation. Understood? Fifth question in exercise. Observe. X square dy by dx is equals to x square minus 2y square plus xy. So to prove, first of all, it is homogeneous. Afterwards we have to find solution for given differential equation. Understood? So I will do some few problems on this exercise. Very rare question will come for exam point of view, but we have to discuss its extents comes in next engineering or degree. So their non-homogeneous will discuss, there also homogeneous will come. That's why very rare question will come for exam point of view, but we have to discuss how to verify or how to prove whether given differential equation is homogeneous and how to solve given homogeneous differential equation. Understood? So therefore given differential equation, here it is x square dy by dx is equals to x square minus 2y square plus xy. So how to write this one? dy by dx is equals to x square minus 2y square plus xy by x square. Just by looking we can say it is a homogeneous. How? Each term power observe 2 1 plus 1 2 it is homogeneous, but we cannot write in exam direct, right? So how to prove? So this is f of x comma y. F of x comma y nothing but x square minus 2y square plus xy by x square. So in the place of x and y, lambda x and lambda y replaced, what will get? Lambda square x square minus 2 lambda square y square lambda x lambda y by lambda square x square, right? So what is common in numerator? Lambda square. What will get? X square minus 2y square plus xy by lambda square x square. So lambda square by lambda square nothing but lambda power 0, correct na? Else 1 nothing but how to write? Lambda power 0. Remaining function nothing but f of x comma y. So f of lambda x comma lambda y is equals to lambda power 0 into f of x comma y. Therefore given differential equation is homogeneous. So given differential equation is homogeneous. So now solve this homogeneous differential equation, right? So now observe, this is given differential equation, homogeneous differential equation. For solving this one, first to separate the denominator. This one simplify, this one. So what will get? X square by x square, nothing but 1 minus 2y square by x square. How to write? 2 into y by x whole square. Understood? Y square by x square. How to write? Y by x whole square plus xy by x square. 1 x cancel. What will get? Y by x. So denominator separate to each term will get like this. So now to solve, what substitution we have to take? Put y is equals to vx. So that is substitution. So dy by dx is equals to, what will get? EV rule applied, v plus x dv by dx. It is common for all problems you have to do like that. So y is equals to vx, then dy by dx is equals to v plus x dv by dx. So here you substitute, nothing but what will get? V plus x dv by dx is equals to, what will get? 1 minus 2 y by x whole square. Y by x nothing but v. Y by x whole square nothing but v square plus v. So both sides v get cancelled. What is remain? X into dv by dx is equals to 1 minus 2v square. Understood? So now it reduces to variable separable form. So v variables and x variables you separate. So how to write? dv by 1 minus 2v square is equals to, what will get? dx by x. So this term taken left side, this one taken right side. So separated variables. Now apply integration. So therefore integral 1 by 1 minus 2v square into dv is equals to integral dx by x. So this one here 1 by 1 minus 2v square, you can take 2 common. 2 common taken, what will get? 1 by 2 minus v square. Understood? In denominator 2 taken common means outside what will get? 1 by 2. Remaining what we have? 1 by 2 minus v square into dv is equals to integral 1 by x into dx. How it is in the form of, we have the formula, right? 1 by a square minus x square dx. Formula, what is that? Sin inverse of x by a plus c. It is in that form. So how to write? 1 by 2 sin inverse of x by a, nothing but v by a, nothing but how much? 1 by root 2. Understood? 1 by 2 how to write? 1 by root 2 whole square. So a value how much? 1 by root 2 is equals to 1 by x integral is log mod x plus c. So answer is 1 by 2 sin inverse. This one how to write? Root 2 into v is equals to log mod x plus c. So 1 by 2 sin inverse root 2, we replace v, nothing but y by x is equals to log mod x plus c. So this is general solution of given homogeneous differential equation. Once again, so here by taking substitution, y is equals to vx, dy by dx will get v plus x dv by dx is equals to 1 minus 2v square plus v. Both sides v get cancelled. Remaining comes to variable separable form. So separated variables, integral 1 by 1 minus 2v square into dv is equals to integral 1 by x into dx. So here 2 taken common, it is easy to integrate. That's why I took 2 common. So how to write? 1 by 2 comes outside. Remaining what we have? 1 by 1 by 2 minus v square. It is in the form of 1 by a square minus x square integral. Formula, what is that? Oh, sorry students, this is wrong. So what is 1 by a square minus x square formula? 1 by 2a log mod a plus x by a minus x plus c. Sorry, I thought it is root will be there for that. So 1 by a square minus x square dx is equals to formula 1 by 2a log mod a plus x by a minus x. So therefore what will get 1 by 2, 1 by 2a, 2 into a nothing but 1 by root 2. This 1 by 2 is there. Now formula we have to apply 1 by 2a log mod a plus x. What is a plus x? 1 by root 2 plus v by 1 by root 2 minus v is equals to log mod x plus c. So this one what will get? Root 2 how many times cancel? Root 2 times cancel. What will get? 1 by 2 root 2 will come. So log mod this one what will get? 1 plus root 2v by 1 minus root 2v is equals to log mod x plus c. I took LCM here, root 2 get cancelled will come like this. Now we replace them. What will get? 1 by 2 root 2 log mod 1 plus root 2 into v nothing but y by x is equals to log mod x plus c. You can simplify by taking LCM or you can leave up to here also, you will get the mark. Understood? Sorry students, I took it is the root is there, I thought that's why I written sin inverse x by a. Afterwards I observed. So this is the formula 1 by 2a log mod a plus x by a minus x. Understood? Right. Sixth question, observe x dy minus y dx is equals to root over x square plus y square into dx. Now to prove given differential equation is homogeneous, first you write down into first order first differential equation form. So how to write solution? Observe x into dy, this term taken right side, what will get? Root x square plus y square into dx plus y into dx. We can take dx common, right? So how to write? Root x square plus y square plus y into dx. Understood? Now dy by dx is equals to root x square plus y square plus y by x. So given differential equation I written in first order first degree differential equation form. Now we have to prove whether it is homogeneous or not. So for that function first you take f of x comma y. What is function in x and y? Root x square plus y square plus y by x. So in the place of x lambda x, in the place of y lambda y replace. What will get? Root over lambda square x square plus lambda square y square plus lambda y by lambda x. Understood? Now this lambda square taken common written outside the root, it becomes lambda. Understood? Plus lambda y by lambda x. You can take lambda common, enter in the numerator. What will get? Root x square plus y square plus y by lambda x. Lambda common, remaining this is nothing but f of x comma y only, right? And we can write lambda power 0 na? Yes, why? Because 1 can be written as lambda power 0. So f of lambda x comma lambda y is equals to lambda power 0 into f of x comma y. Therefore, so given differential equation is homogeneous. So now to solve given homogeneous differential equation. So now observe Here it is there, first order first degree differential equation. To solve the given first order first degree differential equation or homogeneous differential equation, what we have to take substitution, put y is equals to Vx. We know dy by dx. What will get dy by dx? Nothing but v plus x into dv by dx. Now you replace in this one, what will get? V plus x dv by dx is equals to, what will get? Root over x square plus y square, nothing but v square x square will come, plus y nothing but vx whole divided by x. Understood? Now what is common in this one? X square. That x square written outside the root, what will get? X into root over 1 plus v square plus vx by x. Now separate denominator. Separated denominator, what will get? Root 1 plus v square will come. Here separated denominator, what will come? V. So left side what we have? V plus x into dv by dx. Both sides v get cancelled, right? Remaining reduced to variable separable form. How to write that one? Therefore dv by root 1 plus v square is equals to dx by x. Understood? So separated variables, then integrate. It is in the form of, we have 1 by root over a square plus x square dx. What is 1 by root over a square plus x square dx formula? Log mod x plus root a square plus x square plus c. Given integral in the form of 1 by root over a square plus x square dx, formula is log mod x plus root a square plus x square plus c. So use that formula, what will get? Log mod v plus root over a square, nothing but 1 square plus v square is equals to 1 by x dx. Integral is log mod x plus c. So therefore log mod v nothing but y by x only, right? Plus root over 1 plus v square, nothing but y square by x square is equals to log mod x plus c. Still you can simplify by taking LCM like that, no need. So you can do up to this one, we will get the mark. Okay. So almost the problems are in same model only. That's why a few I will do, remaining you can do that. Whenever you will get the doubt, you can ask, okay na, in the group. Alright. So problem number 8th problem. Observe, x into dy by dx minus y plus x into sine y by x is equals to 0. See that one? To prove this one homogeneous and to solve this homogeneous differential equation, first how to write this one? X into dy by dx. These two terms taken right side, what will get? Y minus x into sine y by x. From here dy by dx is equals to, what will get? Y minus x into sine y by x whole divided by x. Understood? So therefore to prove given it is homogeneous or not, what you take? Function in x and y variable. What is function in x and y variable? Y minus x into sine y by x whole divided by x. To prove homogeneous, f of lambda x comma lambda y, in the place of x and y, lambda x and lambda y replace. So what will get? lambda y minus x nothing but lambda x into sine lambda y by lambda x whole divided by x. Now what will get? Lambda y minus lambda x, lambda common, right? So what will get? Sin y by x will come whole divided by lambda x. Can you take numerator lambda common? Yes. What will get? Y minus x into sin y by x will come by lambda x. So lambda cancel. What is this one? Nothing but f of x comma y only, right? So we can write lambda power 0. Therefore given differential equation is said to be homogeneous. I think you understand the same procedure only for previous problems also, and that's why a little bit fast I am doing. So this is the function. To prove it is homogeneous, in the place of x and y I took lambda x and lambda y. Here you substitute, will get lambda power 0 into f of x comma y. Hence given differential equation is homogeneous. Now how to solve given homogeneous differential equation? Just you observe here, denominator separate, nothing but what will get? Y by x na minus this one you separated, what will get? X cancel, right? Sin y by x remain. So therefore dy by dx is equals to y by x minus sin y by x. So what is substitution we have to take? Put y is equals to vx. How to write? Dy by dx is equals to, you will apply, what will get? V plus x into dv by dx. So one or two problems if you observe means automatically the steps will get, okay, this one taken means what is dy by dx. So this one you substitute there, what will get? V plus x into dv by dx. Here you substituted is equals to y by x. What is y by x? Nothing but v minus sin y by x, nothing but sin v. Understood? So both sides v get cancel. What is remain? X into dv by dx is equals to minus sin v. So it reduces to variable separable form. So separated variables, what will get? dv by sin v is equals to, what is remain right side? Minus this x terms taken right side, dx by x. So integrate, what is 1 by sin, nothing but cosecant, right? Cosecant v into dv is equals to minus integral 1 by x into dx. What is integral cosecant x? Integral cosecant x formula is equals to log cosecant x minus cot x. Okay, integral cosecant x dx, nothing but log mod cosecant x minus cot x. Use that formula, integral cosecant v, nothing but what will get? Log mod cosecant v minus cot v is equals to minus 1 by x integral is log mod x plus c. You can leave up to here, or this one taken left side, log mod cosecant v, nothing but y by x minus cot v, nothing but y by x plus log x is equals to c. Understood? Like that we have to find general solution. So formula integral cosecant x dx, nothing but log mod cosecant x minus cot x. So that use the formula will get, this is the general solution. Tenth problem. 1 plus e power x by y into dx plus e power x by y into 1 minus x by y into dy is equals to 0. Now to prove this one homogeneous, first of all, how to write? Observe, 1 plus e power x by y into dx is equals to this term taken right side. So what will get? Minus e power x by y into 1 minus x by y into dy. Understood? The term I took right side. Now what we have to write? Dx by dy or dy by dx? We'll see. I will write dx by dy. Why I will write? I will say. So generally previous problems dy by dx I took. Now dx by dy I took. What will get? Minus e power x by y into 1 minus x by y by 1 plus e power x by y. That one will come. So here what is function here? F of x comma y is equals to minus e power x by y 1 minus x by y by 1 plus e power x by y. So whether it is homogeneous or not, how to prove? In the place of x lambda x, in the place of y lambda y replace. What will get? Minus e power lambda x by lambda y into 1 minus lambda x by lambda y by 1 plus e power lambda x by lambda y. Here lambda cancel, here cancel, here cancel. What is remain? This is nothing but function only, right? F of x comma y only will get into lambda power 0. So therefore given differential equation is homogeneous. So given differential equation is homogeneous. Once again you observe here this term I took right side and divided this one with 1 plus e power x by y. So therefore minus e power x by y into 1 minus x by y by 1 plus e power x by y. This is nothing but function in x and y variable. To prove it is homogeneous, in the place of x and y lambda x and lambda y replaced, will get this is homogeneous differential equation. Now to solve this homogeneous differential equation, so it is in the form of what is that? Dx by dy is equals to f of x comma y. So in just I said in the initial of this today class, when given homogeneous differential equation in this form, what is substitution we have to take? X is equals to vy. X is equals to vy substitution we have to take. Understood? Given differential equation in this form, dx by dy is equals to f of x comma y. Hence to solve the given homogeneous differential equation, we have to take substitution as x is equals to vy. So observe, in the final I will say why I took the second form. Okay na? Right, differentiate. So x derivative nothing but we have to write dx by dy. Don't write x derivative means 1. Here differentiate with respect to y. You can so differentiate with respect to y. So therefore x derivative is dx by dy is equals to, here you will apply v into y derivative. Generally y derivative means we are writing dy by dx. but here differentiate with respect to y na. So dy by y, dy nothing but how much? 1 plus y into dv by dy. So therefore dx by dy is equals to, what will get? V plus y into dv by dy. So in this one your substitute, or here you substitute. This is only na differential equation. So to solve that one, substitution I took x is equals to vy. So dx by dy is equals to v plus y into dv by dy. Here you substituted, what will get? V plus y into dv by dy is equals to minus e power x by y. Now what is x by y? Nothing but v only na, into 1 minus x by y, nothing but v, by 1 plus e power x by y, nothing but v. Understood? Now observe, v plus y into dv by dy is equals to minus this one multiply, minus e power v into 1, nothing but minus e power v, minus into minus plus, what will get? V into e power v by 1 plus e power v. Understood? Numerator simplified. This v take right side, nothing but what will get? Y into dv by dy is equals to minus e power v plus v into e power v by 1 plus e power v minus v. Understood? That v I took right side. Now you take LCM, what will get? See, LCM is 1 plus e power v, numerator what will get? Minus e power v plus v into e power v minus v into e power v. Understood? So plus e power v minus v e power v cancel. What is remain? Minus e power v minus v by 1 plus e power v. This is remain. Understood? It reduces to variable separable form only, right? So how to write to variable separable form? Observe. So now here dv is there, this term I took left side, nothing but how to write? 1 plus e power v by minus e power v minus v is equals to dx by x. Understood? Sorry, dy by y. So this term taken left side, nothing but the fraction will reciprocal, you have to write there. So dy by y you have to write right side. Can you take minus common here? Yes. Now once separated variables, we have to apply integration. So 1 by y dy nothing but what will get? Log mod y. Understood? Plus c. What about this one integral? If you observe, it is in the form of f dash of x by f of x. E power v derivative is e power v. V derivative is 1. Understood? E power v derivative is e power v. V derivative is 1. So it is in the form of f dash of x by f of x. So minus f dash of x by f of x formula log mod f of x. So answer minus log mod e power v nothing but x by y plus x by y is equals to log mod y plus c, or this term taken right side, what will get? Log mod y plus log mod e power x by y plus x by y plus c is equals to 0. So that is general solution of given differential equation. Understood? So now when you take in this form, then given homogeneous differential equation solve. Sir, why you didn't took dy by dx form, first form? It is generally in previous problems how that homogeneous differential equation dy by dx is equals to f of x comma y, but here dx by dy is equals to f of x comma y. Why I took like this? Why we cannot write dy by dx is equals to f of x comma y form? Observe. So this one understood, right? So now observe. Suppose if you written that form, what happened? Here only, right? Suppose if I took dy by dx, what will get? See, 1 plus e power x by y by minus e power x by y into 1 minus x by y. Correct na? If you written in first form means previous problems how I done that form, if you reduced means will get like this. Okay, we can verify whether it is homogeneous or not homogeneous only, but we cannot solve. Why? Because observe, generally what you have taken substitution, y is equals to vx. So y is equals to vx substitution taken, what is this one will come? V plus x dv by dx, right? Here what will get? 1 plus e power x by y. What will get? X by y, 1 by v will come, by minus e power 1 by v into 1 minus 1 by v. So 1 by v nothing but this one, how to write? V. Understood? So now if you take its integral, suppose observe x into dv by dx is equals to this v I took left side, 1 plus e power 1 by v minus I written here only by e power 1 by v minus, correct na? Right. So observe, minus 1 minus e power 1 by v minus LCM taken, what will get? V e power 1 by v. Next what will get? Plus v square e power 1 by v by e power 1 by v into 1 minus v. So no term will get cancelled here, right? Even it is not solvable, I think. Okay, it is not solvable, so therefore we have to take, so x is equals to vy substitution. Okay, so that's why whenever given differential equation we have to observe it is easy to get, okay, it is easy to get the solution whether you convert it into dx by dy is equals to f of x comma y form. Understood? So this is how to find general solution for homogeneous differential equation. So in the tomorrow class we will discuss the particular solution how to find for this homogeneous differential equations, and we will start the last topic in this chapter, linear differential equation introduction will give tomorrow in the tomorrow class. Okay na? So it takes some 2 to 3 days, we'll complete this chapter. Okay, right. Today I am going to stop this lecture. So tomorrow we will continue for finding particular solution of given homogeneous differential equations. 2 or 3 problems I will do, and I will give introduction to linear differential equations. Okay, right. Thank you students, have a nice day.